I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to grab a screen on the following device. We have two methods. Let's start with the first one. So at the very beginning, open the screen that you would like to capture, for example calendar, it can be April, and now tap on power key and volume down key all together and hold it for about 2 seconds. 1, 2, and here it is. If you will tap on this screenshot immediately after taking it, you will be able to see those options, for example marker pen, so you can draw on your screenshot. You can save it by tapping on done, or delete those changes by tapping on cancel. Let me pick done. And then you can also edit it, send it to your friend, or simply delete it. Let me delete this one. And let's go to the second method. So for example, let's pick settings, and now with your 3 fingers slide down, and here is your screenshot. You can obviously do the same things with this one. And let me show you the very last super option. So maybe let's go back to the settings one more time, scroll down with your 3 fingers, and then tap on long screenshot. Now you can scroll down and have one screen with all your settings. Just take a look. Here it is. And of course you can send it, you can edit it and delete it. If you would like to open those screenshots, just go to Photos, and here in Today, or if you will go to Albums and Screenshots album, you will have your screenshots. And obviously you can share them, you can delete it, you can edit it as previously. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.